Hi, in this video we are going to set up the environment to run the C# application. So first of all, we need to open Google Chrome, search Visual Studio Installer, click on first link that we got. So there are three versions available, community, professional and enterprise. We click on community, click on free download. Okay, then after downloading, uh, click on setup. It will display a pop-up. So there is a continue. So Visual Studio Installer ready for installing the application. So in the available section, you will see because I already installed the Visual Studio Community 2022. So it is available in this available tab. So I am clicking on Enterprise. So click on Install. So you can select Community. Okay. So click on ASP.NET Web Development. Check it and go to individual component, select .NET 5 as well and click on install. Okay, then after installing and then search Visual Studio. So you will see a brand new Visual Studio 2022. That's it.